it's like, okay, so if I decide to make a video right here, it's windy and it's noisy, right? But if I'm sitting in my car, then I don't have great light. So and if you learn anything about making videos, number one is sound. You can deal with really bad or poor video quality, but for a person to continue watching a video, you don't want to have bad sound. Bad sound will alienate anyone, scratching, and unfortunately, one of the videos I uploaded recently, the music was too loud. So, and I think somebody commented, I thank them for pointing that out, because when I was editing the video, it didn't seem that loud, and then when I went to go watch it on YouTube, it was much louder than I thought. Very intrusive, or you had to turn the volume down to get it to where my voice was projecting more than the music. So yeah, I'm gonna listen to this and see how it is, but I'm still gonna post it anyway. Something good to learn for somebody interested in becoming a YouTuber or rideshare YouTuber.